will talk about how can you figure out the solution, know how you can do that to get your ID on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. So to get your ID now, you just go here, you go above this sign here, you just click on it. So then here it's going to copy your ID here, you just click on it. Like you see, it's going to copy here your ID on your Talkie app. So that's all you have to do to get your ID. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.